signal is real. One more drill slip could collapse our only shelter.
My drinking pouch is down to one swallow. Mistakes become math.
Rule 1. We don't dig here. Every hole gets a plan. We triangulate first. A, B, C, no drilling until the ground agrees.
"24 hours starts now. Every watt and step must count." Point B is quieter. Point C feels wrong, like empty space. If this is a void, the cave roof is a trapdoor.
We offset 4 meters and angle in, so the roof stays untouched.
In 0.38 grams, the drill wants to dance. I tame it with both hands. No crack movement yet. Good, we keep going, slow and deliberate. Torque drop means material change, or void risk, so I freeze immediately. A liner turns a risky hole into a controlled, sealed interface. Ars dust is electrostatic poison, and I build a tiny cleanroom bag.
Threads are clean again. The coupling seats with a satisfying lock.
We're not hauling ice, we're coasting soil to exhale water vapor.
I route the hose half sun, half shadow, warm enough, still cold to condense.
The first droplets look real, but the test strip will tell truth. Two-stage filtration starts with flow control. Slow is safer than fast. First batch feeds machines, not mouths. If hardware survives, water might.
Mars steals victories with temperature. Frost is crawling into the line.
Moving the condenser risks dust, but frozen water helps nobody.
The coupling jams again, static grit grinding like sandpaper in gears.
Time costs power, but dirty threads would cost the whole system.
The bladder holds, no leaks. That's half a day of breathing room.
To reach 48 hours, we start a second borehole before dusk.
Power alarm screams. The heater stutters. Our water line is dying.
Rover power stabilizes voltage. Now we insulate like our lives depend.
Ion exchange shifts the strip towards safe. Not perfect, but better.
Sun drops. Shadows freeze the tube again, right as flow improves.
I reroute the line across a sun slit. It's a tightrope of heat.
We have water in tanks, but tomorrow we must turn it into air.
If power fails tonight, our water becomes a slow, cruel countdown.